Hi students, welcome back to our channel DSR Maths IIT JEE. In this video, we will discuss about the range of a function. So what is the range of a function? Suppose if you take a function y equal to f of x, existence of x values is called what? Domain of a function. According to the domain, existence of y values is called what? A range of a function, right? Simple meaning is input of this function is domain. According to that input, output is called what? Range of a function. For example, they given one function y equal to or f of x equal to one linear function they given or linear equation f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So we have to find the range of this function, right? Domain of this function is real number. So whenever domain of the function is a real number or real number except some finite points is there, means for the type of functions, for finding the range of the function we have to take y equal to, let y equal to 2x minus 3. After that we have to find x in terms of y, right? Like this. So y plus 3 equal to 2x. That implies x equal to y plus 3 divided by 2. So now for any value of y, there exists a real number x, right? Means for all y belongs to real number, there exists x belongs to also a real number. Means range of this function is what? Real number. So therefore range is a real number, because for all the y belongs to real number, there exists what? X. So that's why range of the function is R. Means whenever they give, means domain of the function is real number or R minus some finite number of points is there, means that type of problems what we have to take? We have to take y. After that we have to find x in terms of y. Then existence of y is nothing but what? According to that domain. So range of that function, right? Now suppose if you take one more problem like this, f of x equal to 1 by x minus 5 given. So here domain of this function is real number except to 5, because 1 by 5 minus 5 0, 1 by 0 not defined. At x equal to 5 this function is not defined, right? Now here also what we have to take? Y equal to 1 by x minus 5. Find x in terms of y. So x minus y equal to 5 equal to 1 by y. That implies x equal to 1 by y plus 5. That is equal to 1 plus 5y divided by y. So in this, for all y belongs to real number except to 0, there exists a corresponding x. So therefore range of this function is what? All the real numbers except 0, because here you take any real number except 0, there exists what? X. So that's why range of this given function is what? All the real numbers except 0. Means in this only 0 does not exist. In place of 0 we can't take what? Y. We can't take 0. Other than 0, any value take in place of y, then x value is exists. So that's why a range of this function is all the real numbers except 0, right? Suppose like this they given range of the function, find the domain and range of the function 2x plus 3 by 5x minus 2, like this they given. Means linear by linear given. So here also we have to take what is the domain of this function. If you take domain of this function, all the real numbers you can take in place of x, but except 2 by 5, right? Because if it is 0, this function does not exist. So 5x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 by 5. So except 2 by 5, all the real numbers exist for this one. Now domain of this function is r minus 2 by 5. Now here also write let x, y equal to given function and find the x in terms of y. That is 2x plus 3 divided by 5x minus 2. That implies 5xy cross multiplication minus 2y equal to 2x plus 3. So all these values take this side. Otherwise, this 2x bring this side, 5xy minus 2x, and this one take that side, 2y plus 3. Right? Now that implies in this one, so here cross multiplication 5xy minus 2y equal to 2x plus 3. Right? Now this one take that side, 2y plus 3, and this 2x take this side. In this one x common, 5y minus 2 equal to 2y plus 3. And now that implies x equal to 2y plus 3 divided by 5y minus 2. Now once you observe this function, this is x in terms of y. So what are the values exist for this function? That one we have to identify. Means here for all y belongs to r except 2 by 5. Except 2 by 5, there exists corresponding x values. So that's why range of the function is what? R minus 2 by 5. Right? Now take like this one more problem. Find the domain and range of the function f of x equal to x minus 2 by, so 5x plus 5, like this they give one problem. We have to find the domain. Clearly we know that this function exists for all the real numbers except to minus 5, right? Because if you take here minus 5 plus 5, so 1 by 0, this function is not defined at x equal to minus 5. Okay. Now, so here also let y equal to given function x minus 2 by x plus 5. Cross multiplication xy plus 5y equal to x minus 2. This x value take this side. So xy minus x, and this 5y bring that side. So minus 5y minus 2. That implies from this one x common, y minus 1 equal to minus of 5y plus 2. Right? Now that implies x equal to minus of 5y plus 2 divided by y minus 1. Now that implies x equal to 5y plus 2 by 1 minus y. Okay. Now this function exists for all y belongs to real number except what? 1. Because if you substitute x equal to 1, this is a denominator 0 not allows. So that's why all the y belongs to real number except 1 exist. Right? Except 1 exists. So that's why for all y belongs to real number except 1, there exists corresponding x values. So that's why what is the range of the function? So therefore range is r minus 1. This is our required answer. Next, fifth problem. See here. Suppose the function it is a quadratic equation like this. F of x equal to x square plus 3 given. So how to find the range of this function? So we know that x square is greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to real number, right? Means x square plus 3, if we add a positive number plus 3 greater than or equal to 0 plus 3. Now x square plus 3 greater than or equal to 3. Now that implies 3 less than or equal to x square plus 3 less than infinity. So range of this function is closed interval 3 to infinity, right? Next, take one more problem based on this one only. Suppose they given a function, it is in the form of quadratic equation or quadratic expression x square minus x plus 1 like this they given. So how to find the range of the function? So here also same procedure. Here x term not there. Here x term also there. So that is here we have to write a perfect square. So how to write? Because already here a square is there. Here not there. We have to write that one. So that is x square minus 2ab means multiply and divide by 2. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab. What is missing? B term is missing, means b square. So 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. Now from these three terms can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Right? Now that is equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Simplify these two. Plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 by 4 that is equal to plus 3 by 4. Now, so here also we know that x minus 1 by 2 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Means 0 less than or equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square less than infinity, right? Now plus 3 by 4 we have to add. 3 by 4 less than or equal to x minus 1 by 2 whole square less than infinity plus 3 by 4 is infinity only. So here we have to add plus 3 by 4 less than infinity, right? Now minimum value is what? 3 by 4 means you can write a range is closed interval 3 by 4 to infinity, means nothing but this total is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So minimum value is 3 by 4. So range is closed interval 3 by 4 to infinity, right? Like this we have to find the domain of the given function when it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now quadratic function. So here take one more problem. So based on quadratic equation, f of x equal to, suppose they given, so 3x minus x square minus 2 they given like this, right? Or plus 2 like this if you take. So how to find the range of this function? So here also I will write, take minus common, x square minus 3x minus 2, right? Now that is equal to minus of x square. From these two we have to write perfect square minus 2a 3 by 2 2ab. So multiply and divide by 2. If you cancel this one, minus 3x only we get. So a square minus 2ab form is there. What is missing? To get a minus b whole square formula, b square is missing. So in place of b, 3 by 2 is there. So 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2 is there, right? Now, so here minus of, from these three terms you can write it as x minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? Now simplify this one, minus 9 by 4 minus 2, minus 9 minus 8 by 4. Now that is equal to minus 17 by 4. So minus 17 by 4. Multiply with minus, that is equal to 17 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now here also we have to follow same procedure as previous problem. That is, we know that x minus 3 by 2 always greater than or equal to 0. So means nothing but here 0 less than or equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole square less than infinity, right? Now multiply with minus. So minus infinity less than minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square less than or equal to 0. If you multiply with minus, inequality will change. Now again add 17 by 4. 17 by 4 minus infinity is minus infinity less than 17 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square less than or equal to 17 by 4. Right? So maximum value of this function is 17 by 4. So clearly we can write the range. Range is open interval minus infinity to close interval 17 by 4. So this is our required answer. Right? Same problem. So you can do by taking a discriminant also. By using the discriminant, how to find? Previous problem I will solve by the second method. So like this you have to do. Suppose here by taking the perfect square, we taken range of this function. So by using the discriminant, how to find? So for that we have to take the given quadratic function as y equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now x square minus x plus 1 minus y equal to 0. Right? Now it is a quadratic equation x square minus x plus 1 minus y. It is a quadratic equation. So for a real x, because we have to find the range of this function. So for real x, definitely discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Because when the function is exist, then only we have to find the y values. Means maximum the x belongs to what? A real number. Right? If x is real, then we have to find the y values. Means when function is real, when discriminant greater than or equal to 0, definitely this x value is what? Real only. So that's why for real x, discriminant greater than or equal to 0 I will take. That implies b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So b square minus 1 whole square minus 4a is 1 into 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. Now simplify 1 minus 4 into 1 minus y greater than or equal to 0. That implies 1 minus 4 minus or minus plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. Now, so minus 3 plus 4y greater than or equal to 0. So 4y greater than or equal to 3, y is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Means y belongs to close interval 3 by 4 to infinity. So therefore, y nothing but range. Range is closed interval 3 by 4 to infinity. Okay, no? So like this also we can find the range of the given function whenever the function in terms of means in the form of quadratic equation or quadratic function, right? Okay. Next, suppose problem is like this. Root of x square plus 3 is there. So how to find the range of this function? F of x equal to root of x square plus 3. So here also same procedure we have to follow as previous problems. We know that x square greater than or equal to 0. Here extra is root is there. So for all x belongs to real number, x square greater than or equal to 0. Means nothing but 0 less than or equal to x square less than infinity. So add 3. 3 less than or equal to x square plus 3 less than infinity plus 3 is infinity only. So the 0 to means 3 to infinity means all the positive values are there. So that's why easily we can take a root for this one. So that is root 3 less than or equal to root of x square plus 3 less than infinity. So that's why minimum value is what? Root 3. So range of this function is closed interval root 3 to infinity. So this is our required range. Suppose function is like this. F of x equal to root of x square minus 25 is there. So how to find the range of this function? Right? Now here also we know that x square always greater than or equal to 0. Means 0 less than or equal to x square less than infinity. But we want x square minus 25. So 0 minus 25 less than or equal to x square minus 25 less than or equal to infinity minus 25 is infinity only. Now that implies minus 25 less than or equal to x square minus 25 less than infinity. So for this one now we have to take the root. But minus 25 to infinity means here some negative values are there. So for that values we can't take root because under root value always greater than or equal to 0. So that's why we have to restrict this one. Means we have to balance this one. So how to restrict this interval? Means 0 less than or equal to x square minus 25 less than infinity because under root value greater than or equal to 0 means minimum value of that one is 0. So that's why 0 less than or equal to x square minus 25 less than infinity. Now you can take the root for this one. So that is 0 less than or equal to root of x square minus 25 less than infinity. So therefore range of this function is closed interval 0 to infinity. Right? And now suppose the problem is like this, f of x equal to root of 36 minus x square like this. So here also same procedure, x square greater than or equal to 0 means 0 less than or equal to x square less than infinity. Okay. Now multiply with minus because here minus x square is there. So if you multiply with minus infinity less than minus x square less than or equal to 0. Add 36. So 36 minus infinity is here minus infinity less than 36 minus x square less than or equal to 36. Now here for this one root we have to take, but here minus infinity to 36 some negative values are there. So to avoid that one we have to restrict the interval. So like this 0 less than or equal to 36 minus x square less than or equal to 36. Now you can take the root for this one. So root 0 is 0 less than or equal to root of 36 minus x square less than or equal to root 36 is 6. Right? Now what is the range of this function? Closed interval 0 to 6. Right? So like this, so three different types of problems. Here root of x square plus 3, here x square minus 25, here 36 minus x square. Right. Same quadratic expression or a quadratic function like this is there. So f of x equal to root of x square minus 3x plus 2 is there or minus 2 like this is there. Root of x square minus 3x minus 2. So how to do this type of problems? So here also same we have to take x square minus 3x minus 2 quadratic expression. So write it is by using these two terms I will write it as a perfect square. So for that here 2ab are there. So we have to construct that x square minus 2ab. So multiply and divide by 2. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab. B is missing. So 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 2. Now that implies x square. By using these three terms we can write it as x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 2. Now that implies x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 17 by 4 like previous problem. But here under root is there, their root not there. Same problem. Now here we know that x minus 3 by 2 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Right? Now subtract minus 3 by 4. So this can be written as 0 less than or equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole square less than infinity. Now minus 17 by 4 less than or equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole square less than infinity, right? Here we have to write minus 17 by 4 less than infinity. Okay. Now for this we have to take the root. To take the root, here some negative values are there. To avoid that negative values, we have to restrict this interval to like this: 0 less than or equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 17 by 4 less than infinity. Now you can take the root for this one. So 0 less than or equal to root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 17 by 2 less than infinity. So this under root value is nothing but this one only, means f of x. Now you can write it as 0 less than or equal to root f of x less than infinity, right? Now what is the range of this function? Range is like this, you have to take. So root of, you can write x square minus 3x minus 2. Now range of this function is closed interval 0 to infinity, right? Now see this problem. Here also f of x equal to root of quadratic function is there. So how to find the range of this function? So first we have to take this quadratic equation f4x minus 2 minus x square. So in this take minus common, x square minus 4x plus 2 and write it as a perfect square. Now that implies minus of x square minus 2ab. This minus 4x as minus 2 into x into 2. So now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab form. So plus 2 square minus 2 square if you write, now it is in the form of a plus b whole square and extra plus 2 also there here. That is equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Now multiply with minus, that is 2 minus x minus 2 whole square. Now from this one we know that x minus 2 always greater, means for all x belongs to real numbers. Now that is nothing but 0 less than or equal to x minus 2 whole square less than infinity. Multiply with minus. If you multiply, this inequality will change if you multiply with minus. Minus infinity less than minus x minus 2 whole square less than or equal to 0. Now add 2. So this is as it is minus infinity less than 2 minus x minus 2 whole square less than or equal to 2. Right? Now here we have to take a root. But here this value, this function is exist minus infinity to 2. So here some negative values are there. To avoid that negative values, we have to restrict this one. So as like this, 0 less than or equal to 2 minus x minus 2 whole square less than or equal to 2. Now in this one root possible because under root value greater than or equal to 0. Now 0 less than or equal to root of 2 minus of x minus 2 whole square less than or equal to root 2. Right? Now what is the range of this one? Range is closed interval 0 to root 2. Right? Like this we have to find. Next. Suppose any function, if it is in the form of quadratic equation by quadratic equation, then how to find? Numerator also quadratic expression, denominator also quadratic expression is there, how to find? In this first problem I will take, suppose f of x equal to x square by 1 plus x square they given. So how to find the range of this function? So for this here also I will take let y equal to x square by 1 plus x square. Cross multiplication. So y plus x square y equal to x square. That implies x square y minus x square plus y equal to 0. Now from these two, x square common, y minus 1 plus y equal to 0. So here discriminant concept we can follow. Otherwise again if you want like this also you can do. Suppose x square common, that implies x square equal to minus y by y minus 1. That implies x square equal to y by 1 minus y. We know that x square greater than or equal to 0. Now that implies y by 1 minus y also greater than or equal to 0. Now take the critical points on real number line. So here 0 and here 1. But y not equal to 1, because if you take y equal to 1, denominator 0, it not allows. Now less than 0, by the sign scheme method, less than 0 any one value substitute, minus 1. Minus 1, minus or minus plus, negative. So here if you substitute 0.5 by 1 minus 0.5 means positive. And after the 1 any value if you substitute 2, 2 by 2 minus 1 means negative. Now greater than or equal to 0 you want, means this area. So y belongs to close interval 0 to, so even equal to is there but y not equal to 1 in this situation. So that's why y belongs to close interval 0 to open interval 1. So therefore range of the given function is close interval 0 to open interval 1, right? Next. So here also one more problem you take. So this is a important one. F of x equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Like this they given. How to find the range of this function? Same as previous problem. Here also we have to take let y equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Cross multiplication, x square y plus xy plus y equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now all these values to take this side, x square y plus xy plus y minus x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. From these two x square common, so remaining is y minus 1, and from these two x common, y plus 1, and constant term is y minus 1. Now it is a quadratic equation, x square, x term and constant term is there. So here for a real x, discriminant should be what? Greater than or equal to 0. So maximum, if x is belongs to real number, then we have to find the existence of y values. So for that, for the real x definitely greater than or equal to 0, discriminant. Now b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So b is this one, y plus 1 whole square minus 4, a is y minus 1 and c is also y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. If you write it is ax square bx plus c, if you compare with this one. Now simplify, y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4 into y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. That implies y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 4y square plus 8y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So from these two minus 3y square, from these two plus 10y, and from these two minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Multiply with minus, so 3y square minus 10y plus 3 less than or equal to. If you multiply with minus, this greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. Take the factors of this one. So 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 equal to 0. That implies in these two 3y common, y minus 1 minus 3. Now from these two minus 1 common, y minus 3 equal to 0. Now 3y minus 1 and y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Again you can write it as so in this one 3 common. So 3 into y minus 1 by 3, y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. 3 definitely not equal to 0. It is greater than 0. So that's why you can write y minus 1 by 3 into y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now if you take these two, y 1 by 3 and 3 on the real number line, you will get 3 by 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. So therefore y belongs to closed interval 1 by 3 to 3. So therefore a range of this function is closed interval 1 by 3 to 3. So this is a important problem. Now, so for this one what we did, so given expression means given function, it is in the form of a quadratic expression by quadratic expression, y equal to, and it is in the form of quadratic equation. So for the real x discriminant greater than or equal to 0 you taken, then from this one y value you have to find. Y is nothing but range of the given function. Okay, right. Next, so one more, one last model we will see. So suppose the problem is in the form of like this, f of x equal to root of x minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 is there. So how to find the range of this function? So here also you take a given function as y equal to root x minus 2 plus 4 minus 6. Squaring on both the sides, y square equal to, so a plus b whole square formula, x minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 plus 2ab, x minus 2, 4 minus 6. Now that implies y square equal to, here these two get cancelled, 2 plus 2 into root of, we have to simplify this one, that is 4x minus x square minus 8 plus 2x. That implies y square equal to 2 plus 2 into root of, simplify this, 6x minus x square minus 8. Again like previous concept we have to simplify and we have to find the range of this one. So for that consider this quadratic function x 6x minus x square minus 8. Take minus common, x square minus 6x plus 8. So by using the first two terms we have to write as a perfect square. So for that it can be written as x square minus 2ab plus 9 minus 9 plus 8. Now from these three terms we can write a minus of x minus 3 whole square and simplify this one minus 1. Multiply with minus, that is equal to 1 minus x minus 3 whole square. Now we know that x minus 3 whole square greater than or equal to 0 means nothing but 0 less than or equal to x minus 3 whole square less than infinity. Now multiply with minus for this one means minus infinity less than or equal to minus x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 0. Now we have to add 1. So 1 minus infinity is minus infinity less than or equal to 1 minus 3 x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 1. Alright. So to take the root we have to restrict this interval as 0 less than or equal to 1 minus x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 1. Now take the root for this one. 0 less than or equal to root of 1 minus of x minus 3 whole square less than or equal to 1. Means minimum of this one is what? 0 and the maximum of this one is 1. Right? Now if you substitute minimum of y square is 2 plus 0 that is equal to 2 and minimum of y is root 2, right? And maximum of y square, so maximum of this one is 1, so maximum of y square if you substitute here maximum of this one, what you will get? 4 you will get. Maximum of y square is 4. So that's why maximum of y is what we will get, 2 you will get. Means range is closed interval root 2 to 2, right? Like this we have to do. Okay, no? So actually, so whenever the problem is like this, f of x equal to root of x minus a plus b minus x, for all x belongs to closed interval a comma b. So range of this function directly we can apply like this by this formula. Range is closed interval root of b minus a and root of 2 into b minus a. And now that is so here in place of b is 4 is there, root of 4 minus 2, root of 2 into 4 minus 2, that is equal to root 2 comma 2. Like this we have to simplify. Okay, no? So these are the some problems based on range of a function. Okay, no? In the next video also we will discuss some more functions we will take and how to find the range of that functions we will see. Okay, no? Right, don't forget to subscribe our channel DSR Maths IIT JEE. Okay, thank you.